Good evening. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a multinational headquartered group based out Singapore. We are a multinational and multi-asset hedge fund. By multinational hedge fund, we mean we actively take positions in US, Europe, and Asia Pacific region. Of course, depend upon markets. And by multi-asset, it means we take positions in multiple asset, which includes gold, silver, platinum, base metals, commodities, currencies, and many more asset classes. In the long run, we intend to add more asset classes in our kitty. This video is by FNO Learnings Academy. Before I continue, let me clarify again. FNO Learnings Academy is a learning platform. It is not a trading platform. Here we teach people. Here we equip people how to handle FNO. And our knowledge speaks. Guys, there is a very important concept in army, be it any army of the globe, which is called acclimatization. Now, the lexical meaning of acclimatization means that whenever army go on any mission, the whatever respective team acclimatize himself or herself. Like the conditions are winter, it's a very hot and humid conditions, very rainy conditions, difficult conditions. So they acclimatize themselves. Financial market is also not different from army, because army is always equipped, trained, and given the best practices as far as handling of enemy is concerned. But still, sometimes enemy holds an upper hand, sometimes army hold an upper hand, it goes on. Similarly is the financial market. Now here the meaning of acclimatization means the tilted view. We don't use a word acclimatization because this is an army or a military word, which is best suitable for military professionals for the army. But in financial market, we use a word called tilted view. By tilted, I mean based on the market condition, based on the market movement, based on the situation, whether it is going in my favor or whether it is going against me, I will change my position. Please note, I am not saying I will take my position. I am using a word, I will change my position. In FNO, like I said, there are plain sellers, naked sellers, be it sell call, be it sell put. That's a separate thing. Majority of the people still do not understand an exact way of selling options. It is still a rocket science for most of the people. Let it be honest. Having said that, when it comes to two leg or more, which is called Seagull, range forward, condor, iron condor, reverse iron condor, butterfly, iron butterfly, reverse iron butterfly, tilted view played a very, very important role. Rather, without this, difficult to work. So let me give you a simplest example of tilted view. What is Seagull? Seagull is a three-leg strategy. Seagull is technically designed to handle an unexpected movement in the financial market. So let's take an example. I have taken a range forward, which is called buy put and sell call. In this buy put, I'm expecting market to fall. In this sell call also, I am expecting market to fall. But having said that, in buy put, I am having right, for which I am paying the premium. In sell call, I am obliged because I am receiving the premium. But having said that, sell call doesn't mean you are always safe, because buy put is your downside. Sell call is your upside. But sell call is not a guarantee that you are always safe. So let's take an example. You decided that TCS, assuming it's a hypothetical example, TCS is currently 3,200 and your view is TCS will go to 2,800. So you did buy put, which means when it goes to 2,800, you win. You did sell call, which practically means it would be worthless and you would be receiving the premium in your pocket. So from either side, whether it's a buy put or it's a sell call, you are relatively safe. That's what I can say. What would if TCS go to 3,500, which is against your expectations? Be it fundamentally correct or not fundamentally correct, that we talk later, but TCS is now 3,500, which means buy put is completely worthless, zero. Sell call, huge losses on your head. You are in deep trouble because sell call losses are growing. This is where the Seagull come into the picture, whereby you take an additional position to cover the Seagull. Now, would that position be buy call? Or would that position be sell put? That's very important. And this is where the tilted view comes into the picture. What would if I take buy call and TCS reach 3,500 and then fall back to 3,300? What would if I take sell put? What would if I take buy call and based upon the market movement, I will convert this into sell put? What would if I take sell put and convert this into buy call? Please be note that when you starting with a three-leg strategy, which includes Seagull, condor, reverse condor, butterfly, reverse butterfly, call spread, put spreads, call ratio spreads, put ratio spreads, back spreads, and all these, it should be designed, rather they all should be designed as per tilted view. But in 99.9% of the cases, I repeat, 99.9% of the cases, tilted view is either not known to the people or it is taken at granted. The end result, whatever FNO person, whosoever, he faced huge losses. Our FNO Academy teach this. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group.